Earlier this year, I built a new PC for my dad so he could play the latest flight simulators, and he's absolutely loving it. I've added a link to that video here and in the description below, where I talk about some of the aircraft he flew in while serving in the Royal Air Force. However, as some of you rightly pointed out, the build was missing something. A VR headset, a device that would immerse him into the virtual cockpit of some of the military aircraft he once flew in. Well, all that's changed as I finally got round to buying one, and the one I've bought is the Meta Quest 2. Now, I won't go into too much detail about its technical specs, nor go into all the apps you can use with it. Suffice to say, this particular VR headset has 128 gigs of memory, weighs around 500 grams, it's powered by a Snapdragon XR2 chipset, it has an 1832 by 1920 pixel resolution per eye, which is a 50% increase over the previous Quest headset, and the battery lasts between 2 to 3 hours. It also supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, although this does depend on the games that it supports 120 Hz. And luckily for our purposes, it does. If you'd like to learn more about this headset, let me know in the comments below and I'll look at making a video about it. But for the purposes of this video, and the reason why I bought it, I just want to get it set up so my dad can enjoy flight sim with it. Setting up the headset was fairly straightforward. After setting up an account, it was simply a case of connecting the link cable from the headset to the PC, then connecting via the app. Once done, I fired up Flight Simulator, enabled VR mode, and couldn't help giving it a try myself. And then it was time to show my dad. So Dad, for the last few weeks we've been talking about buying a virtual reality headset to complement your new PC. So I've gone ahead and bought this, a Meta Quest 2. So should we give it a try?
Oh, most certainly we must.
Sierra Alpha contact, Nordholt approach on 125.875. Good day.
125.875 for Cessna Golf Sierra Alpha.
Cessna Golf Sierra Alpha contact, begin approach on 129.05. Good day.
So Dad, in the short time you've been using the VR headset, what do you think of it?
I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and as you suggested, it immerses you so much into the game or into the flight simulator. The only thing I had reservation slightly was that you've got to get it adjusted so actually on your head, because it plays on the focus things with your eyes, and I found that after a short period of time my eyes got tired. I needed a break, but part of that of course is development of AI, so I'm not disturbed by it. I just think it'll only get better. And I think the thing I missed, one, it brought back very happy memories of being in aeroplanes, and two, It would be very nice if I had a seat that moved and simulated G as you pull manoeuvres. But super, it was really great.
So that's it, a virtual reality headset set up on the PC I built for my dad. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit that like button, and then watch these videos.